back. Well, 18 out of 24 school districts in Monterey County have reopened for in-person learning. Each school district reports directly to the county health department about COVID-19 cases and exposures at their schools. But as KION Josh Cristianto found out, the county isn't ready to disclose all that information to the public just yet.
Well, Veronica, we're not being given the exact number of COVID-19 cases in each district and which schools, but there have been a lot of parents sending us tips about exposures in their own classrooms. And we did speak with one mom earlier here at Cammon Elementary School in Salinas.
My concern is sending the kids back home, especially with the very first day us being notified that there was already an exposure and a closure.
Jasmine Phillips has two kids going to Cammon Elementary School right now in Salinas. She says the school district, which had their first day of school on Wednesday, messaged them saying a staff member or child in a class had tested positive with COVID-19.
I was talking to a parent at the park and they said it was their son's classroom. He said, yeah, my son is home for the next 2 weeks back to distance learning.
The Salinas City Elementary School District says generally they rely on self-reporting to account for positive COVID-19 cases. The next step is to contact trace to limit the spread. Currently, if there's a positive case in a classroom, the procedure is to shut down the classroom for a couple of weeks and have students work from home. But school district officials say they're working to change that rule so that students who haven't tested positive for the virus can stay on campus. The district notifies parents in the impacted classroom only, as well as staff at the school. They also notify the county health department.
It's a daily thing. So as soon as we get a report, we report it to the county.
Monterey County, however, isn't publishing the numbers from each district, just a broad number from the educational and child care setting industry sector. On Friday, there were 8 new cases in that job group out of 104 new total cases in the county.
I believe countywide there's been exposure at most of the schools. It's inevitable. We're living in the time of COVID.
There have been reports of positive cases on the Monterey Peninsula and the Salinas Valley. Parents simply have to hope for the best.
It's frustrating as a parent because I do want to know more.
And the Monterey County Health Department tells me if there is a full-blown outbreak at a district, that is the point where they will inform the public. Reporting in Salinas, Josh Cristianto, KION News Channel 546.